crawfish. Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Jaelyn Dae. Welcome to my channel. Right now, I'm just doing a little bit of work, getting some orders together to be shipped off today. Then after this, I'm gonna go home and check on my dog. Then I'm gonna go to the mall because I didn't get to go yesterday. Yesterday, I was doing some work and then I ended up getting my toes done. Let me show you my toes. Just simple French tip. I just got them redone. So I got my toes refilled and I got to the shop really late so they weren't able to do my nails. So I got my nails done before I came here and started working. And I got them French tip too. Just regular square French tip. I wasn't even about to stress myself out this time. I'm like, look, I'm gonna just do French tip. But then Valentine's Day nails had to go for real. Cause no ma'am. I wanted this pink on my toes, but since I have acrylic on my toes, I would have had to get a takeoff from my toes and like basically kind of redo it instead of getting a refill. They was already upset because I came like right before it was time to close, so they were just like, you know, we're just gonna do regular. And this time I wanted more with my pedicure, so next time I'm gonna just get this pink on my toes because I really love how it's pink. It's that pink base with the French tip. Like, anyways, y'all. So like I said, I'm about to do a couple orders. I'm not gonna do them all because I need to pick up a package from home for some of the orders. It's at home now. The hair. Let's talk about the hair. I think I even told y'all in my last vlog I was gonna have some different hair in. Anyways. Oh shoot. Okay, also I have to go to Home Depot, find some paint because I'm supposed to get this room painted on Monday. I'm gonna get all the walls painted and I'm gonna get the back of this painted too. And I think I'm gonna go with like a baby pink. And I want it to be like more subtle. I think. I gotta see. When I get there, I gotta see what paint I want. I don't know if I'm gonna go today or what because I have till Monday, so I'm probably not gonna go today. Cause I really wanna go to the mall, y'all. Ever since I went through my closet, I feel like I have no clothes. I feel like I gave all my clothes away. I've been wearing sweatpants and t-shirts like every day. That's literally what I'm wearing right now. Anyways, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and package some of these orders so I can get on with my day. Hey dolls, it's Saturday. Yesterday, Friday, y'all, I didn't do nothing. I didn't even get the paint that I was supposed to get. So today I'm gonna get the paint. Today I'm supposed to get crawfish later and hang out with my family, and I really don't know what the day holds. I'm gonna just take y'all with me. Right now I'm about to get ready. I'm about to get cute because I feel like I haven't got cute like really all week. Like I just feel like I want to get cute. Like it's Saturday. Like I bought like 6 pair of lashes from my vendor, just trying different ones to find me some lashes because I'm just gonna take a break from the extensions, y'all, because clearly I can't keep them on. But these are the ones that I like from my vendor. So yeah, I'm gonna wear these today. And I ended up going to ZARA. What was that? It wasn't yesterday. So the day before yesterday, I did go to ZARA, but I didn't go to the mall that I usually go to. This ZARA had a couple things, but I still want to go to the other mall. I'm not trying to get these sleeves dirty, y'all, so that's why they rolled up. This is what I ended up getting from ZARA. I got these cute high-waisted shorts, y'all. Look how cute these are. I love how they ripped at the bottom. That's really cute. And they look like this in the back. And they real cute, y'all. Like, I'm gonna try to find the links to the clothes and put them in my description. I want to try them on y'all, but I really don't feel like it. And I kind of gotta go. Next thing I got was this cardigan. I just really like the print to this cardigan. Little flowers that's on it. I even tried it on with the shorts and kind of like had it off the shoulder a little bit. And it was cute. So I'm like, yes, I'm gonna get this. And I love the color. It's giving like summertime. Right now in Houston, you could wear it here because yesterday is also another reason why I didn't want to do anything, go anywhere. I just did some work because it was so cold and so windy. I did not want to do anything, y'all. I just, oh my goodness, it was so cold. And y'all know when it's cold, kind of like drizzling a little bit and it's windy, it was that type of weather. I'm really confused with Houston weather. Like, I'm trying to go to the rodeo, I'm trying to have my shorts on and stuff, and Houston is like, no ma'am. I got 2 more things. It's actually a set. That's all they really had, y'all. They really didn't have nothing at this ZARA that I went to. But this is what I really want to actually see this on TikTok. It's these orange shorts. They're high-waisted. The orange, the pattern on here is bomb. It's shorts go with a crop top blazer. This is so cute on me. Like, it's giving bossy. When I went through my closet and gave away a lot of my clothes, I'm like, this time when I go clothes shopping, I'm finding outfits. A lot of the stuff that I gave away that I couldn't really fit, it was like just random pieces of clothes. Like, I used to just shop and just buy stuff and never wear it because it never went with anything. So hopefully I can go to the other ZARA and find something else, because this wasn't really anything that I want to wear like right now. Like, I don't want to wear this right now. I need like clothes to wear like every day. I just feel like I'm out of clothes. I'm about to do me a quick little face and get ready so I can head out, because it's already 12 o'clock and I wanted to be out the house by 12 o'clock. So I need to go ahead and get ready.
Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sonar. Bouncing up and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water. Got see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Till it's all family, if you run up with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Pack, fuck his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get the chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we'll ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. Till lit on a bike, going straight to middle G.
Finally done with my makeup. It took me a little longer because I just decided to do a TikTok. I did like a little makeup get ready with me TikTok, and y'all, that took a little minute. Like, that takes some time, that takes some real editing. It was not as easy as they be making it seem. It's a lot of stopping and going, but I'm finally done. I just threw on this little hoodie and my little Skims tights with my Gucci tennis shoes. I'm gonna just wear this for today because it's still kind of chilly outside and I'm really not doing nothing but hanging out with family and, you know, about to run my little errands. These all. Let me find some lotion, y'all. Whenever it's like cold outside, I get like really ashy. Like really ashy. Especially on my hands. Like, the hands get to crackling and no ma'am. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to head out. I'm on the phone with my aunt.
Hey y'all, what's up? Oh, hey y'all.
But yeah, I'm gonna see her later. Please let me know what time we about to head there, because I'm ready for my crawfish.
I think I'm heading there about 3 something.
How many pounds of crawfish you getting?
I think I'm gonna just get like 3 or 4 this time.
I'm getting 5, baby.
So I think I'm gonna just get 4.
Baby, I need 5 pounds of crawfish. I've been eating healthy all week.
Too.
Huh?
I'm gonna be drinking too, so.
Ooh, crawfish.
Do you think you can eat more than 5?
I can.
You think you can eat like 10 pounds? And
I have to take a break, but I'm pretty sure I can eat 10 pounds of crawfish. Crawfish, whew, they just don't know how good their booty is. So, like I said, y'all, I wanted like a pink. Look at that pink. I want something like a baby pink. Something like that. I definitely don't want a dark pink. So, I like... So this pink is more lighter than this pink. Y'all, I really don't know which one I want now. Because it's like I want this one, but then it's like too pink. I want something in between the two. Kind of. Let me see what this one is. Yeah, so I think I like this one. Okay, now I have these two and now I'm confused on what I want. It's like I want I don't freaking know.
let me see it again.
Because even if it's not what I want, I can always get it repainted, you know, over that color. But not this color. This is so ugly to me. Please.
It's ugly.
you do end up needing more, bring back the empty can because there's a label that we put over top that'll allow us to match it.
We bless the hands that prepare the food. Let the food be good nourishment to our body. Bless those who are going without. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen. I am on a 24-hour champagne diet, spilling while I'm sipping. I encourage you to try it. I'm probably just saying that cause I don't have to buy it. The club owner supply it. Boy, I'm on that fly shit. I am with everybody in my past. Don't want me to be, guess what? I made it. I'm the motherfucking man. I just want you to see, come take a look. Get a load of this nigga. Quit frontin' on me, don't come around and try and gas me up. I like running on E. I'm on my Disney shit, goofy flow. On records, I'm Captain Hook, and my new car is Rufio. Damn, where my roof just go? I'm somebody that you should know. Get to shaking something, cause that's what drummer produced it for. Yes, I make mistakes that I don't ever make excuses for. Like leaving girls that love me and constantly seducing hoes. I'm losing my thoughts. I said, damn, where my roof just go? Top slipped off like Janet at the Super Bowl.
It's Monday. It is currently 6:45 in the morning, y'all. So I'm getting the room painted today. I totally forgot that I have to finish orders before the man starts painting, and I have to move stuff off the wall and just get stuff out of the way so he can paint without having to move stuff. And that didn't even cross my mind till like last night. And he's gonna get there like at 9. I need to have everything done before he gets there. That is why I'm up this early. And I'm about to go in Walmart because I need to get like 2 big boxes just to put my stuff in the meantime while he's painting. So yeah, I'm about to go in Walmart, and then after that I'm gonna get like a refresher or something from Starbucks. I haven't woke up at 6 like for a minute, and I actually been up since 4. For some reason I just kept waking up, and I was like, forget it. And y'all, I was able to go to the other ZARA at the other mall, and I was able to find these cute shoes, y'all. I'm gonna put it here on the screen. So freaking cute. Like, I don't even really like purple like that, but for some reason these shoes really caught my eye. I think I just like, you know, the shape, the big heel on it, just overall how the shoe looks. It's so bomb. I really don't feel like doing anything. I was drinking too last night, so maybe that's why I'm kind of just like, let me get in this store so I can get out of here, because this is not safe just being in the parking lot chilling. I think I'm gonna get 2 large boxes just to be sure that everything can fit in there. I think this box is big enough. Yeah, that's why I need 2. I low-key need 2 larges and like 1 small just for the like little stuff that's on my desk. 2 larges and or medium. No, medium's too big. Okay, let's go.
Don't wanna if it don't clap again with my dick. It's but she's super thin. I'm just thinking with my dick. My shit dumb.
Let me turn this music down.
Here's your card back and I'll be right out.
Why does everybody think we fucked? Boy, you ate this ass and you know it. Look how pretty. Oh fuck. Oh no, get out. Y'all, it was a freaking mosquito. Oh my goodness, I do not have time for mosquitoes right now. Yes, I had to. He on the side. He on the side of the window. Y'all see that little? Y'all see his little? What the fuck is that called? Y'all see his wing? I know y'all see that wing right there. Let me hold on. I gotta put my window up because he got me messed up today. Why is he trying to attack my car? Like, y'all, did I get his leg? Y'all, I think I got his leg stuck. Well, he better figure it out, because when I drive, he gonna be gone. Anyways, so I was saying, look how pretty this refresher looks. Ooh, so cute. Let me go, y'all, because I gotta get done for real. I only got 2 hours to get everything done. Oh, yes. Now that's good. Y'all, look at him. Look at him. He right there. Look at him. He's stuck. He's stuck. I don't know why you was trying to get in my car anyway. That's your fault. I don't know why you tried it. I don't play about no bugs, especially no mosquitoes. Like, I even use my camera to swat him out. Like, what the fuck is you doing? What's your problem? And now he's stuck looking dumb. Leg got caught. You should have been gone already. Yes, there you go. Fly away with your broke leg. I done broke his leg. He gonna have to go to the bug hospital. However they get fixed. That's where he going too. Anyways, let me turn my music back on. Okay, I'm back, y'all. I got my girls back there chilling. I'm about to go drop them off before I head home, but y'all wouldn't believe. So it's getting towards 9:30. I wait till 10. You know, I'm texting the man's daughter. He painted her room, you know, whatever. He's the one that paints. I text her. I'm just like, can you just let me know something so I know how to go about my day? Because, you know, I'm here, but I'm not going to be here all day. I just plan to let him in, go ahead and paint the room so it can be done today. So she told me something happened with his foot. I know life happens. I know things happen, but it just kind of pissed me off a little bit because she told me that he knew Fridays. So she don't even know why he never said anything to both of us. And I'm like, I think that's one of my biggest pet peeves. I do not like when people do not communicate, especially when I'm communicating and like, you know, I set this appointment or whatever. Like, even if he told me yesterday, that would have changed everything. I'm glad I got up and got my orders done and got things that I needed to get done. But honestly, I really didn't even have to get up that early trying to get stuff ready for him. And not only that, I packed up the room. Now he asks, can we do Wednesday? But I'm kind of like, are we really gonna do Wednesday? Like, I don't have time for things to be coming up because I wanted this painted today for a reason. Like, I wanted it at the beginning of the week. I just really don't like that because you knew Friday about your foot. So you could have told me yesterday, Saturday, Friday. Like, don't wait till Monday when it's 9:30 and I'm like, where you at? I wanted to paint it really bad. I was ready to see it. I was ready to walk in tomorrow and be like, oh. Things happen, so yeah. I don't really know what I'm doing today. I was supposed to meet up with my mom. We might go to the rodeo. No idea. If we do go, it's gonna be in a different vlog, not this vlog. And I'm still drinking on this drink. Okay. I really wanted my room painted. Like, I'm feeling the type of way. Let me go home because I'm really about to go back to sleep. Y'all, what y'all want to hear? I got one for y'all.
Money color peacock, thugging in my Reebok,
I'm back home. I'm actually about to go ahead and get ready. I'm about to meet my mom and my little sister. I think we're gonna go ahead and try to go to the rodeo. I'm not sure, but we're about to meet up and figure it out. So this is gonna be the end of my vlog. Make sure you subscribe to your girl. Like I've been saying, we're on the road to 100K. Thank y'all for supporting me or whatever, because you know, I really appreciate all of y'all support. I really want to do something for y'all soon, like a giveaway, like something. I haven't done anything like that. So I really want to plan to do something for my dolls because I love y'all. Y'all know, y'all my girls. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.